In this video, I'm gonna show you how to practice drawing step by step for beginners. But if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do so quickly. Step number 1. Break the straight line. Straight line drawing by hand is a drill. It exists only in vectors as the shortest way between 2 points. Divide the long lines into short ones. Try to draw things from your environment with shaky, careless lines. Step number 2. Create your own style of art. When you are following these steps, be creative. Change landscape, distances and see where it takes you. Sketch a lot. Step number 3. Measure and draw proportions. The internet is full of simple step-by-step tutorials that don't teach any real drawing skills, but they're great for practicing proportions. Step number 4. Free your hand. Draw a series of parallel lines and waves as fast as possible. Sketch a lot. Snakes. Draw a lot of them. They are fast and easy. Let your hand feel it's free. Last but not least, the step number 5. Learn what things are and why they are. Matrix, where is the point? What's it connected to? What's the distance between them? Vector, what's the point for? What's the point part of? What does his setup point to? Here is the informational template to create the same thing all over again. It's hard to remember, but it is scalable. If you have followed the tutorial carefully, after some practice, you should be able to follow the intermediate tutorial flawlessly. If you tried them and they seem trivial, that's great, you're ready.